Hey guys, I'm showing you this toilet plunger, toilet dredge designed for Siphon-Type power clean toilet pipe. So as you can see, this comes in a really nice pouch. So like nice bag. So this is a heavy quality with the silicone, the base. As you can see it here. This is the instruction clip, and this one is the handle. You can also cut this to the desired size, whatever you want. And this is a total so this is how this is assembled. It's pretty straightforward and very flexible, and you can see like how to use. So there are certain things that in toilets, some type of toilets you cannot use this one, so you two should be careful. And then you can see the flexibility, and then thing like how it will clean up. So you can just push inside and this will clean the toilet. So flexibility wise and the size, you can edit or cut the size. And then also you can see this back handle, and this is a hook here. So this is you can just stick this stick on the hook wherever you want to on tiles, and then put it on the one side. So very nice plunger, is very helpful.